Differences between right lung and left lung. Right lung, we all know husband is always right. So husband is right lung and wife who gives threatening to leave the house. So left lung is wife. Even though they live together, but their differences are as big as wall of China. So wall, that is weight. Obviously, the husband will be heavier. So right lung will be heavy, that is 700 gram. But left lung is 650 gram. Architecture, right lung, husband, that is broad and thick. Where is the left lung? It is tall and thin. Slim trim wife. And lobes, it is more in case of right lung, like the more responsibility over the shoulder of husband. So there are 3 lobes, superior, middle and inferior in case of right lung, and only 2, that is superior and inferior, in the left lung. Now come to F for fissure, wall of. Of is fissure. In case of right lung, horizontal fissure and oblique fissure. Whereas in case of left lung, only oblique fissure. China, CH, that is the characteristic arrangement of bronchus. Here you can see this is right bronchus, and it is more broad and shorter compared to left bronchus, which is longer and somewhat narrower. And second thing, that right bronchus makes an angle of 25 degree with the vertical axis, whereas left bronchus makes an angle of 45 degree with the vertical axis. So right bronchus is more in line with the trachea, so more prone for foreign body impaction. Another one is notch and ligula. That is, in left lung there is cardiac notch, and just below that tongue-like protrusion, this is lingula, which is present only in case of left lung. Artery, bronchial artery, in case of right lung it is the branch of third posterior intercostal artery, whereas in case of left lung it is the direct branch from the descending thoracic aorta. In the right side it is only 1 in number, but in left side it is 2 in number. So these are the differences. Now coming to similarity between lungs, just memorize only one word, that is the bronchopulmonary segment. We all know that both right and left lung has got 10 bronchopulmonary segment. This is one similarity, and another one is again inserted within this, that one is pulmonary, another is broncho. That is, there is 1 pulmonary artery and 2 pulmonary vein in case of both right and left lung. Here you can see this blue one, this is the pulmonary artery because it carries deoxygenated blood, so blue. So this is 1 in number in both sides and 2 pulmonary vein, which is red in color here, both in both sides. And broncho, that is the bronchial vein. What we have seen in the differences, there is a difference between the bronchial artery, but I am discussing about here the bronchial vein, which is 2 in number in both sides. Okay, so these are the similarity. Thank you very much.